Alright, we're here with another issue of our Build the Back to the Future DeLorean. This is going to be issue number 41, and we are putting in the center console. So let's get started.
We're putting together the center console.
Yeah, we're not installing it, we are assembling it. Let me rephrase. So, this is what we're going to be doing in this issue. Should be pretty straightforward. And then we've got a couple more articles on Biff. This is the alternate timeline Biff, who is once again just perfect. And then a little article on the Biff Tannen Museum. And, oh, next issue we're doing the time controls. That should be fun. Okay, well, let's get started. So we got this piece right here, and then we're putting in the little knobs here. Look at these little knobs. I don't know if you can focus on that or not, but that's pretty freaking detailed stuff. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, you can read the tiny lettering.
Yeah. So that's going to go. Okay. So we got the two screw holes underneath there, and this is going to go right there. And then we're just going to screw those in right there with AP screws. As usual, I've got my two screwdrivers from previous issues, 1 and 10, and my handy dandy tweezers. I'm going to go ahead and give screwdriver number 1 a try, since that worked pretty well on the last issue. Doesn't want to go in. Try the other side here. I can get a little bit more grip on it. Okay, I'm going to leave that one a little bit loose until I get the other one in there, so I've got some room to finagle it, since the other side was giving me some trouble. All these pieces are plastic, so again, screw with care.
Poopsie. Poopsie.
Okay, so there's our first piece in. Looking pretty awesome already. Alright, the next piece is going to be this one. And it looks like we're going to be doing pretty much the same thing. We've got our two little tabs right here. I'm going to set this in. Yeah, that should slide underneath this piece. So why isn't it doing that?
Like that. Then it just screws in.
Yeah, except it's not even close to being lined up.
It's not?
Nope. Oh, there we go. Okay, it snapped in. Okay, now that's where it needs to be.
Right.
And it's nice and flush on the back. So now I'll go ahead and get those in there with some BP screws. Stupid ant.
Yeah, the weather's getting colder. They're trying to get into the house. I think I'd rather let Ninja in than an ant.
Ninja's the neighbor cat. We're not talking about an actual ninja.
Yes, he is. Don't say that. It hurt his feelings.
Although, you know, I'd let a real ninja in too, just so that, you know, I can get some good sword practice in.
A real ninja wouldn't even let you know he's here.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so there's piece
Right,
number 2.
There we go.
We're getting there. Okay, piece number 3. Looks like it's going to be our little gear shift boot here.
And it goes right below the other one? Or on top of the other one? Yeah. Oh, we went unfocused again. Focus. Oh, it's not focusing. Focus. Uh-oh. Come on. There we go.
Okay. So, doesn't even look like this one actually screws in, which is weird.
But it has a hole in it.
We've got one little knob right here and one little knob right there. And these two pieces are just going to sit on those two knobs.
What?
I'm assuming something is going to secure this
I
at some
hope
point.
so.
Okay, I might be putting that in upside down. Yes, I am. Okay. There we go. That's how it goes in there, just like that. So all I did was I mounted it right here and right there.
Okay. Where'd the hole go?
That was the hole. It had 2 holes.
Oh.
One for each little tab here.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, there's nothing that's securing that in place, apparently.
So how is it going to stay in? It didn't pop in. If you flip it over, it's falling out, right?
No, because it's rubber. I'm assuming though, once we put it down on the seat part, that's going to hold it in place. Please be careful.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I didn't realize it was rubber.
Okay, so now we've got the gear shift knob that's going in there.
And is that screwed in? It just looks like it's poking up. There's another page, right? Okay. Oh, yep. It's got something else that's securing it in on the other side, honey.
Don't be looking ahead.
Oh, spoiler alert.
You're spoiling it for the audience.
They saw the pages earlier, goober.
Only if they were really paying attention. Okay, so here's our little gear shift knob. I'm going to put that right there in the hopes that it won't roll away on me. So apparently this part goes up from underneath.
It sticks it in from behind.
Although it doesn't say how far we're sticking it in.
So that it looks like that. Right here.
Yeah.
So you just put it shit to the thing. Yeah. You don't push that through. You stick it in. What's the issue?
Well, we've got a little...
Nub.
Yeah, with this little nub right here. It's like, do we push that through the rubber,
No.
or do we just kind of let it sit?
Sit.
Because it doesn't really say.
It just says insert through the hole. It does not say push through.
So obviously, as soon as I turn this upside down, it's just going to fall.
Well, yeah, but hold it in. That's exactly what it looks like. See, that's what the picture looks like.
Yeah.
Did you push it through?
But seeing all that wiggle room we got there, if you push
Yeah,
it
it's
through, it's
supposed
going to
to-
be a little bit more stable.
It's supposed to move. And there's going to be a panel holding it in place. It's supposed to move. You don't want it to be
Okay.
steady. it does not say that. It just says insert into the hole. It does not say push through.
Oh, okay, so now we've got something that's going to be holding it in there.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, his wife didn't just say that.
Shh. Okay, so I'm guessing that the rod we just crammed in there is going to go right here in this little hole.
Yep. So glad we found that out on the next page after you turned it, because otherwise we would not have known.
Baby Jesus. Yep. Okay, and that's going to go in with 2 BP screws.
What would we do if you weren't so brilliant? Probably wouldn't survive.
Well, we'd probably just make a YouTube channel of me doing a whole bunch of dumb stuff. Try to make some money that way.
Well, yeah. No, you would. I probably wouldn't be with you. I married you for your brilliance.
No, you didn't. You married me for my money.
I did not. You didn't have money when I met you.
Uh-oh. We've got a problem.
What? What'd you do?
As you can see, there's a bit of plastic
Oh, no.
stuck in there. Hopefully we can get that out. Okay, that looks like that did the trick.
Okay. The hole had something in it.
Okay, let's try that again.
All right. Focus. Focus.
Okay, before I get that any tighter, we've got quite a bit of give on this piece here, so I'm going to get the other one put in before we get these tightened down.
I mean, I don't know what is going on with this camera, but the focus is just all messed up. I'm having to manually focus this entire time. I've never had to do that before.
Okay, so we got that piece in, and now our gear shift knob is nice and stable. So, now we take the head. Do we need to like glue this on? It's just got a hole, and the hole goes on here.
There's no... Oh,
okay.
it snaps.
It just snaps in place. Okay, so there's our little gear shift knob. Isn't that cute?
Can I move it? Oh, it moves a little bit.
Yeah, it moves a little bit. Nothing horrendous.
I thought it'd move more.
Okay, and there is our center console so far.
All right.
So that concludes this exciting episode. And thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time.